Hello and welcome to Fabbrizio Plays. As you can see, we've changed scenery. Actually, you might have already seen that. I don't know what order episodes are gonna air in. I got a haircut, obviously, and I got a wisdom tooth out, and we're recording down here now because I don't like recording in my bedroom, at least not in at the moment. So let's get started here. We're playing we're playing the same save file we always have, but yeah, no, just. Oh, it's been a while, Super Mario Sunshine. Yeah. Where are we? Let's go to Serena Beach. Just, or no. Is that the one? No, I thought, no, that's the one on top of the building. God, it's been a long time since I played this. For you, it's been like 2 weeks. But for me, ooh, it's been a long time. Easily a month. Maybe 2. No, not 2. Definitely a full month, though. The sandbird is born. Oh, Christ. Well, let's get this over with. Yeah, so I got a wisdom tooth out, and, I took some Tylenol, and now it doesn't hurt. Well, it still hurts. Please make it stop. But, actually, the fact that it still hurts makes me wonder why I'm subjecting myself to Super Mario Sunshine, because holy crap, just insult to injury, or injury to injury, I guess. But, no, oh god, I feel like I'm about to start vlogging here, but it's, I mean, it's been a while. It's been 2 weeks. I've had a lot of things I've wanted to say and do, in the time since the last episode. And, don't do this to me. And, no, just not, I had a bunch of plans and they all fell through, and I'm kind of okay with that. Because I don't need to take more, yes, perfect landing. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay. God, I'm not, okay, I'm not gonna tell the story right now. Oh, that was way too risky. I should not have done that. Some risky business right there. 2 of them. 2 of them. No! Shit! Wrong nozzle. Wrong nozzle altogether. Ah, God. Man, I'm glad it brings you back to the level. Because, like, if I had to... Oh, I've got 8 Marios. Man. Oh, if I had died at... No, you don't. Oh, okay. No, stop. 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 No. Do the backflip. Holy shit, he's getting away. Oh, I'm dead. I hate this. Right off the bat, I'm jumping into this. I don't want to quit, though, because I already went through the bother of getting to it. Oh, well. Oh, where are you? There you are. 1. Alright, we're off to a good start. 2. Maybe if I tell a story, it'll help me concentrate. No, just, so I moved down here because, in the basement we have a, I think it's still a CRT. Whereas upstairs I have this, Insignia, LCD, and it's, you know, I mean, Insignia is already not a particularly awesome brand. And, ooh, get that blue coin. Oh, I got greedy. Oh, but I have 10 now, so I can get a Shine Sprite no matter what. Okay, let's, shit. Oh, I had 7. I had all 7, too. I could have just waited and gotten to the top. But, I mean, there's only one time I need to get that blue coin, so, oh well. No, but yeah, so we have a, CRT down here, so I used a splitter cable, which means I'm gonna have to adjust the brightness and saturation on the capture, but whatever. Who cares? But yeah, so... The thing is, when I was trying to record Legend of Zelda, but I don't actually have my NES copy, so I had to play the Game Boy Advance re-release, and for some reason I was getting a lot of lag. Or not lag, but like delay. I shouldn't call it lag because it's not like a system failure. It's just that like there's a lot of interface in between. And so I was shit! God damn it! This is the worst possible thing that could have happened. No, it's not. No, it's not. Wait until I get to Pachinko. Holy shit. No, but just, it's, yeah, so there's no lag on this, or no, I gotta stop saying lag, because it's not like the system isn't good enough to process it. I just, like I'm getting a lot of delay. Oh, blue coin, get that blue coin. Shit. Come on. No. Blue coin is slightly more. Stop it! You stop that. Where even are you? Okay. God, the depth perception when everything is white sucks. Okay. Are you still, you're not there. Okay. I'm just gonna die now. Bye-bye. What was I saying? I keep getting interrupted by this stupid bird! I probably clipped there, but I don't even care. I don't even care. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. No. Oh. Oh. This level's gonna give me heart problems. This game is going to give me heart problems. Holy shit. Stop getting in my way, you stupid cloud. Cloud, stop causing me strife. Fuck you. Fuck you. Ugh. God damn it. I really hate this game. Come on. You know what? I'm gonna get the difficult one first, because God, you're trying to. No. Wait for it to come down. Yes. Okay. No. No. Shh. Arrgh. 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 This was not. I've lost 5 lives already. I started with 9. Or no, that means 6. I've lost 6. I started with 9. I think I started with 9. Maybe I started with 8. Either way, I'm over halfway through my lives, and I don't feel any better at this level. God damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Okay, go for the tail. Go for the tail. Go for the tail. Don't! No! No. Okay, I got them all. Now I just gotta stay on. I gotta stay on. He's gonna turn at some point, and at that point, I've gotta. Oh, shnikes. Oh, I'm on the cloud. I got a blue coin. Okay. This is a safe place to be. I don't mind being here. Oh, no. Fuck! God damn it! Not okay. I am not okay. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna be silent for this entire run. I'm not even gonna vlog. Well. Is this a good time? This is a good time to just die. Can I die? Not in the game. I mean, like, for real. Can I please die? I would love it if that was an option. Ah, God. At least I got the one up. At least this isn't. Not today. Not today. Okay, how many lives do I have left? I hadn't even been paying attention. Oh, God damn it. 1. I have 1 life left. So, like, this one and then 1 more. Okay, I'm gonna go for the hard one first. Because, fuck this level. Not my best strategy. I give up! I'm done. I'm done. Done with this game. Done with this game! Yes, I'll continue. Okay. Okay, we're not gonna do that level. I still have all my blue coins. So I'm gonna go trade them in, and we're gonna get a shine sprite this episode. It won't be the one I wanted, but we're gonna get a shine sprite this episode. Bada bing, bada bang, bada bang, bada boom. Come on, talk to me. Okay, there we go. Hi, little Tanuki family. Okay, blue coins for a shine sprite sounds like a plan. All right, and that's 18. That's 18. Okay. Save and continue. Fuck my life. We're calling this next time when Fabbrizio plays. Stay classy, everyone.